Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create sub-ticket for the Helpdesk ticket. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev Helpdesk sub-ticket. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to Helpdesk app, go to configuration menu and see here these options for create sub-tickets. Follow this. Let's save. Now go to tickets, go to anyone and see here this your ticket number is a file and display here this parent ticket. Now select here, let's save. So see here your sub ticket display here 0 because your ticket number is a 5 and its parent ticket number is a 32. It means select here same ticket number. So write here ticket number 5. Let's save and see here this now display total 1 ticket. So you can easily create it main into sub tickets. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.